In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products to cart on the Temu app. First, open the Temu app on your phone and sign in to your account. Make sure you're logged in before you start shopping, since this helps keep your cart saved properly and makes checkout easier later on. Once you're inside the app, you can begin browsing for the item you want to buy. You can either scroll through the homepage and categories or use the search bar if you already know what product you're looking for. This is a good way to quickly find specific items without spending extra time browsing. When you find something you're interested in, tap on the product to open its detail page. This page gives you a closer look at the item, including photos, pricing, and available choices. Take a moment here to make sure it's the correct item before adding it to your cart. Next, select any options that apply to that product. For example, you may need to choose a size, a color, or the quantity you want. This step is important because many products can't be added to the cart until the required options are selected. Double check your choices so you don't accidentally add the wrong version of the item. After that, tap Add to Cart. Once you do that, the product will be saved in your shopping cart, and you can either continue shopping or move on to review your items. If you want to buy more than one product, simply keep browsing and repeat the same process. Open the item, choose the appropriate options, and tap Add to Cart again. This lets you build your order gradually without losing the items you've already selected. When you're ready to review everything, tap the cart icon. This is where you'll see all the products you've added. Go through your cart carefully and check that each item is correct. If needed, you can update the quantity of a product or remove an item entirely. This is a useful step to make sure your order matches exactly what you want before you continue. Finally, when everything looks good, tap Proceed to checkout. That will take you to the next stage of the purchase process where you can finish placing your order, and that's how to add products to cart on the Temu app. Follow these steps each time you shop, and the process will be quick, simple, and easy to manage.